Hi, today we're going to go ahead and install this Reedy Radon 2 crawler motor. There's different variations of this motor. This one is a 16 tooth motor, and this is a 5-slot brushed motor, which means it's a lot more smoother than regular 3-slot motors. I'll be using this 14 tooth pinion gear. It has the standard set screw. Here I'll be inserting it into the rest of the transmission. If you guys are interested, this is actually a very nice crawler from Axial. It's called the Capra. Here I'm going ahead and mounting the motor onto the transmission body. And I'm adjusting it to line up with the rest of the transmission gearing. I'm tightening it down. Now I'm giving it a spin with my finger to make sure that it's not too tight, but it's not too loose either, and readjusting it. You want to make sure that it's not too snug between the two gears, between the two cogs here, and that it has a little bit of wiggle room, but not too much. Well, I hope you enjoy this awesome motor and have lots of fun out there.